Notion Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. The Notion Enterprise app is more than just a note-taking tool. Most people get this wrong. It's a highly flexible workspace that combines notes, databases, wikis, and project management for teams at scale. On the pro side, Notion Enterprise offers advanced admin controls, and enhanced security features to meet organizational standards. Teams can create structured databases, dashboards, and interconnected wikis to centralize knowledge. Integration with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zapier allows data to flow seamlessly. Custom permissions and granular access controls ensure sensitive information stays secure. On the con side, large teams may struggle with maintaining consistent structures across workspaces, and the flexibility can overwhelm new users. Advanced features often require training, and offline access is limited compared to competitors. In conclusion, Notion Enterprise app is perfect for organizations seeking a centralized, flexible workspace that combines project management and knowledge sharing. While adoption and structure may require planning, its security, integration capabilities, and scalability make it an ideal tool for enterprise teams aiming to streamline workflows and knowledge management.